Umang Lai Kanba Apunbalup Ukal has resolved to take befitted action against the infamous Lai Harauba performance at Moirang by some Manipuri film artists in the Kabui community's traditional attires. Ukal also expressed solidarity to any actions initiated by all Ziliarong Arts and Culture Organization Azako and Ziliarong Students Organization ZSO, who have strongly condemned the incident as defiling their community. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at Ukal office in Palace Compound today, Ukal convener Mutumd Manitond alias Nganba asserted that traditional attires of every communities have its own unique significance rooted to one's ancestry. He expressed disappointment that some Manipuri film artists have defiled the sanctity of some communities' culture and tradition. He said Ukal will meet with relevant authorities of Film Forum to take necessary actions against the miscreants.
Furup amagi kasam ka si kaimta thoksa dabida kaimta hanna tuni yeng dabida tawning ba mayam mana thokpa pangtaw da toksilakpagi mong ama leiribse masi yamna miyam marakta thoktana miyamgi miyengbam oiraba film industry da leiriba film artist na di masi tawum thokte makhoi yam section bam thokpani adu makhoina sangjan ngaukshin phejinnabagi mong ama Moirang Lai Harauba da tawgibase masi gidamakta all Ziliarong Art and Cultural Organization Azako aduga makhoi Ziliarong Students Union naga nungaitaba phongdoraise masi yamna summi Masiamna maram sai migi leijaba harau kumai singa se mathang magha onthoga tawba ya de phije na sini leiteng na sini ka kaim khandabida tokselriba mayam jingse masigi mathakta sap chawa action lama lawdri bawba ukal na ju masigi tongan ba step ama dum lawnana ba khoi sem saba loire.
Meanwhile, Ukal has also resolved to hold discussion with Moirang Ibudok Thangsing Seva Mandal regarding conduction of Lai Harauba event without following accepted norms for many years now. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Ukal convener Mutumd Maniton alias Nganba expressed discontentment that many unwanted events coincided Lai Harauba festival at Moirang.
Tauba yaba yadaba leiriba Lai Haraubugi leiribase Moirangina manate Kakshingina manate Kanglagina manate Masi Maitei haiba Furupse Masigi oiba Apunba Wafamni Maibina Lai Fauviri Haidana Shatra Haina Kangnariba Fazing Firal Kazi Kaloidogo Masu Mayama Tauroidogo Wada Yungdana Masi Tongan ba Masu Tongan ba Fijing daga Yunga Torise Masi Kayam Kaige haibase Seba Mandalda Koina Sahi ani hongi mamang dagi hairaga laine ukalgi khwaidagi ngamjaba thakta masi wakhal taminana ba hona jagani.